Break Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2018 Holden Equinox. Now starting at the front, I am going to walk you through the condition and some of the features. Personally, I believe this is really what a Holden SUV really should look like and drive like. Now starting at the front end, you get a really sharp grille in the front with the black inserts and the chrome inserts as well. The headlights are nice and sharp as well, and the Holden badging is situated right in the middle of that car. It does stand out and it does all lead kind of into the middle, so it's got a lot of personality on that front end. Condition wise, it is pretty much spot on. I can't actually fault that car at all. You've got nice sharp headlights here with the projector beam in there. Down the bottom you have also got your fog lights and indicators. Now along the front bar you've also got the color matched front parking sensors. First alloy wheel, great condition there. It is completely unmarked and you've got plenty of tread in the tires as well. Now along this side of the vehicle, the paintwork is pretty much spot on. There's a couple of drip marks and water marks from the incoming storm. However, the color matched side mirrors, great condition there. And the door handles with the keyless entry, once again, good condition, and the keyless entry does let you lock and unlock the vehicle. Now, on the inside, seat bolsters do present pretty much like new, and carpeting, door cards, and scuff guards all in good condition. Maybe a little hard to see in the showroom, however, when you come down to look at it, you will notice it is in pretty much new condition. Sorry, I've got the hiccups. Next wheel, once again, really good condition there and plenty of tread in the tires. You've got pretty much no marks on that wheel at all. Now having a look at the back end, once again, I really do think Holden has nailed the back end of this vehicle. It is a tough looking back end, nice aggressive taillights right into the middle, sharp angles and edges all over this vehicle. You've also got the color matched parking sensors just under that chrome bar, and up here, high mounted stoplight. Nice little subtle washer on the back and your rear wiper there as well. Popping that up, take a look on the inside of the back here. So plenty of space to put anything you want in the back. Under here, you have got access to your spare wheel, which is under another cover. So spare wheel is just under that cover. Doesn't actually look like it's been used, so I'm not going to be the first one to open that up. You've got on the right hand side here, two levers which actually let you, if you can see it, fold down your middle row, so it does let you store in extra things if you did want that option. Close that back up and we'll keep making our way along to the passenger side now. Beautiful condition once again along this side, consistent all the way through this vehicle is just how well it has been looked after. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side. Standard across the Holden range, it is just push to open, so that is always good to know. That next wheel, once again, good condition. These two tend to be the ones that cop the most amount of scratches being parked next to the curb, so there is a couple of little superficial marks, but guys, I've seen worse. That is in good condition. I hope you're paying attention to the paintwork, because although it does have a few watermarks on it, it is actually very, very well maintained. That Equinox badging on the side, nice and spaced out. It does look nice on the side, and let's face it, the whole side of this car does present in clean condition, and it is a beautiful design. That next wheel, again, great condition there. I am being picky. No, I can't actually fault that wheel, so great condition on that wheel as well, and good condition on the tires. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 2-litre turbo petrol engine. It is a 4-cylinder with a 9-speed automatic gearbox. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars and the power output is 188 kilowatts with a torque rating of 353 newton meters. Now, petrol fuel tank does hold 55 litres and it is recommended that you run it on 95, and fuel consumption is about 8.2 litres per 100. Maximum or average fuel distance rather, depending on your driving style, is about 671 kilometers from the full tank. Just taking a look inside the Holden Equinox now, on the driver's side door you do get all your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is the toggle for your power mirrors, and on the door is your central locking. Now there is a button that lets you fold your mirrors in, so if you are parked at a shopping center and you just want to keep your mirrors nice and safe from anyone who's careless with their parking, you have got the option. Now on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got a headlight adjuster, so you can actually change the angle of your headlights. You've also got your headlight controls, so they are auto. If you leave it in auto, the car will decide when it needs it. Next to that is the illumination control for your cluster and interior lights. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our automatic headlights, we've got our indicators, automatic high beams, and your quick high beams as well. And on the left hand side here, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. The wipers are auto, so just leave it in auto, the car will decide when it needs it. The steering wheel is a very nice brand new design leather wrap steering wheel, the 3-spoke kind of design. On the right hand side you've got some media controls, left hand side you've got cruise control as well as forward mitigation and your lane keeping. Now behind the steering wheel there's two sets of buttons which you may not spot straight off the bat. The left hand side lets you switch through your favorites in your menus and settings. The right hand side lets you turn up and down the volume, and let me tell you, sound system in this vehicle is awesome, so great to know that you have control there. Now on the right hand side, on the left hand side here, you've got your engine start stop button, and if we have a look in the center display, you can see you do get inbuilt navigation into that Holden MyLink system. If you put it into reverse, I'm just going to start the car up quickly, can't leave it running for too long in the showroom, but just putting it in reverse, you do get the reverse parking sensors, and when you are getting close to something behind you, bit of a weird feature if you ask me, but your seat does actually vibrate to let you know to slow down. Now in terms of media options, you have got your Holden MyLink system, you've also got Bluetooth connectivity, and you've also got your AM and FM radio. You've also got your texting and projection display. Now down below you've got your dual zone climate control. Passenger and driver can have their own temperatures, and you've also got heated front seats. Down here again, a little bit of storage, 2 USB ports and an AUX, so when your phone is plugged in you can just leave it in there. You've also got a 12-volt socket. Now shifter, unique design here because the manual shifters are on top of the shifter, so plus and minus to change through your gears, and the release for your shifter is behind it. Electric park brake, and behind that you've got 2 cup holders and a large center console with a couple of components, so that tray does come out. You've even got a light in there if you did want the assistant seeing what you've got in your center console. And behind here you've got 2 aircon vents, you've also got 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Now if we just quickly pan around the interior, you will notice that the whole inside of this car has been looked after really well by the previous owners, so very, very well maintained Holden Equinox. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Holden Equinox. As you can see, it is in great condition, has been very well looked after. Something we are going to talk to you, and I think you should take advantage of, is the glass coat, because that is going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork. It is a beautiful color, beautiful condition, and with a lifetime warranty, why would you not want to take advantage of that? It's a no-brainer, honestly. And considering it is a car you're probably going to keep for a while, ask us about the premium mechanical protection plan as well, with benefits including 5 years of cover on top of your new car warranty, up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock on 181 electrical and mechanical components, 10 years of platinum roadside assistance, and much more. It is great value and a great way to make sure that your car is protected for the long run. If you have any questions at all about those plans, ask us about it, but we're going to go through it in detail anyway, so you're going to want to take advantage of it. Now the other thing I'd recommend is talk to our business managers, because if you're looking for finance options, they're great at what they do. Mario and Julie, our business managers, will tailor a package to suit your needs, which will work all those protective options into your repayments and just make it work for you, make the process easy. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 990705555. But before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. It does show that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people, and we're going to look after you from start to finish and make sure the process is seamless. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact us. But for now, my name is Josh, and Berwick Mitsubishi, love that experience.